Today I'm going to explain a little bit about what TR-471 is all about and what we have new in the latest version of the OB-UDPST. First of all, TR-471, why would you want to use that? So TR-471 is a new protocol that allows you to do speed tests in order to figure out what the performance is of your particular network. So it's actually called IP layer capacity metrics and measurements. It is used as a replacement for more traditional methods like HTTP download. As people might know, if you go to speedtest.net or something like that, it will basically use an HTTP protocol to download files and upload files and thereby test the network speed. The problem with that is that it's using TCP, and TCP has some properties that are detrimental to actually maxing out the maximum speed of the network. So you have things like automatic retransmission if you lose some packets. You have things like window sizes which depend on how fast you are actually going. So you need to scale up and need to scale down. So if you have like a hiccup, then this will impact the performance measurement. So what you want to do is actually change to a different protocol, which is UDP, which basically is just a stream of fire and forget data that you're sending. And that will basically allow you to bypass all of these network specialities that are built into the TCP protocol. So that's why TR-471 was born. So it's actually multiple standards by different standard bodies like ITU, IETF. So it's standardized across the board, and the Broadband Forum provides a high-level use case for that and explains how the protocol works, which is in TR-471. So there's also a related open broadband product from the Broadband Forum, which is OB-UDPST, which we have right here. And OB-UDPST is an implementation that can be run both on the server and the client side. It's actually one project that can fulfill both functions, which is being the server side and the client side. And it allows to be either run on the network, so on the server side, if you want to actually conduct the test, so you always need to have a counterpart, or it can be run directly on the devices in order to conduct the speed tests. And it has been used by a lot of companies already. It's directly built into residential gateways. And of course, if you want to do the network performance testing, then you can basically just run it on the server in the cloud, for instance, and you can conduct your tests and get the data out.